What's the plan right now for AMC and GameStop after the drop that we had in the last few days? After Memorial Day, guys, for AMC, especially if we go here, we've got kind of disappointed results in Memorial Day weekend box office for AMC, of course. Plus, we have Kramer said, take out your cash. And you see what's happened here. We broke the trend. So we lost a bit of momentum for AMC for now because the fundamental changed a bit and we have the long weekend. However, we have to discuss the other level, technically at least, for AMC to reverse from and trigger a buying back from the bottom because this has always happened before, happened here, if you remember, after we have a bit of reversal. After a huge drop, we have a huge reversal from the 475. And of course, after this reversal there, around the $6 after a big drop, and we had almost 50% jump. And of course, for GameStop, well, we've got another level to hold, or still holding the new level over the 1990. So we have to discuss both of them, guys, because we have a roller coaster ride, as you can see here, just from the technical. We have this triangle shorting down, then squeezing up. So we have a bit of situation right now for GameStop, going up and down, and even after this huge reversal, we didn't continue to squeeze from the 26. So we triggered our profit taking, as we said, to take a bit of profit below the 26. If you don't watch our video, guys, hit the likes and subscribe because we always do update for GameStop daily around or after the market close or 30 minutes before the market open and our live streaming. And of course, before that, we always do our live streaming exclusive for our members on Discord and Patreon to discuss the market live. And today we discuss many stocks and we took profit on them, like this one, guys. I think it's called One Med Net. Yes, it was really good trade because we got in and we exited around the $2.82. So let's dive deeper and discuss GameStop and AMC. First, let's go to AMC because it's down more than GameStop. The volume, guys, today is really low, guys. 10 million. The day before or the other days, we have 70 or almost 100 million. So you see, after the long weekend, after the kind of not positive result or news for AMC, we don't have a flush, so this is a good reaction. It's usually when we have bad news, we have a flush and the price go down big time. This means this news didn't affect the price much. So now the play is still technical for AMC. First level that we broke, of course, was here over this ascending channel. However, this is not game over because we have this situation before for GameStop. We broke this triangle. We said this is a weak signal, but we're still holding the 17. As we said, this is the bottom. That's why we reverse from there. For AMC, now it happened for AMC right now because we broke kind of this flag. And now we're gonna go the same reaction for GameStop happened for GameStop a few days ago or a week. And we're gonna have it for AMC in coming days around the $3.65. So here we have a big whale will eat this dip out. And how are we going to confirm that? Let's go to GameStop. We need to have this kind of reaction consolidating, going down, even before testing the red line, we reverse. So this is a good sign for GameStop that we have a big buyer. The same now we have to see that happen for AMC. You see how much we miss here? We miss at least 10 or 13% to dip more, and then we're going to trigger interest from the traders and whale to buy discounted price for AMC. This is how it works, guys. The economy and trading is really simple. Once someone agree that the price is really cheap to buy, we're gonna have more buyers than sellers, and this will trigger a reversal and buying back, and of course short covering. If they actually have a huge short opened, they have to cover in order to limit their loss. So now we have to watch for AMC to reverse from there around the $3.65 and then go up around the $4.60. See how much we can do here from the dip. We could do at least 23 and here around the resistance almost 50%, the 536. And of course, it's still the 536 for AMC, a major level to break because last time we tested, we didn't hold much and we flushed down. So now we have to break the 536 in order to go toward the 630 and beyond around the $8.40. Now let's switch our attention to GameStop because it's really weak for today, guys. We don't have any action because the action happened back or on Friday before the long weekend around 2660. And you see what's happened here. We have this reaction, yes, during the market open in the midday. After that, once the market, wait a second, here it happened. So yeah, on Friday, Saturday. So yeah, we have the huge jump that happened on Friday. After that, the price jump, and from there, after the long weekend, we opened with another jump. Then the price went down and continued to go down. So after the long weekend, we have a bit of kick, but we didn't hold. As you can look here, the big jump happened on the market open. Then we didn't hold after the next day, and the price went back. So what we should expect right now and what we should do. The good thing is for GameStop is still holding the last low that we reversed from the 17, and we have the 1990 right now. So if we held the 1990 is mean we accumulate, then we retest the 2660. So there's still a chance that the price might have this test in coming days or even the next week. So we have to take a bit of time because the volume is a bit light. Would be even better if we've got a major news coming up for GameStop. We have some kind of news about the ATM offering. However, we're gonna see some kind of major news for GameStop in coming days. This will affect the price, of course, for GameStop. Last time we have the earnings, but the earnings wasn't like a good factor because we went down after we jumped. This is kind of manipulation, guys, because the earnings wasn't that bad and the price went down. After that, guess what? We have the major squeeze because it's not about the earnings, about like squeeze play or because GameStop is a meme stock. So sometimes the news doesn't affect the price for the stock. However, the other nonsense or the other not related fundamentally to the stock, those kind of news we have to pay attention for. Yes, it's kind of counterintuitive and it's kind of bizarre, but this is what happened actually for GameStop. GameStop went down after the earnings, then pumped after that, after not major news like earnings or other things. We don't have a merger for GameStop, we don't have split, we don't have a huge news, but the price squeeze because everybody knows GameStop is a meme stock. However, for now, we have to prepare because if the price broke this orange line around the 2060, it means we're gonna have the 3145 and the 3989. So the game is not over yet, guys. Some of you ask me like, what's going on with AMC? Is it dead? Are we gonna go to zero? Some even YouTubers talk about GameStop and AMC going to zero. However, how are we going to confirm if they're not going to zero or at least going to squeeze once again is holding those current support to give us some confirmation that the big buyer is still holding over this level. So this is kind of give us a bit of focus on the breakout. So you don't have to distract yourself by say, what if the price go to zero? Nobody knows exactly what's going to happen after 1 year. That's why we watch in the small time frame, daily or at least a week to confirm a breakout or not. So if you want to have updated levels for GameStop and AMC, you can join us, of course, guys, here on YouTube, and of course, to subscribe, hit the notification, the most important thing, all the notification in order to get notified first, because if you watch our video late, you might miss the opportunity, or if you don't watch our live streaming early, you're gonna miss the opportunity for the stock that we cover every day. So thank you for watching and see you for our tomorrow live streaming 30 minutes before the market open on our YouTube, and of course before that on our Discord and Patreon, where we discuss the market live 2 hours and 30 minutes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.